This is Microsoft Word tutorial 2. Okay, let's look at some features in Microsoft Word, the groups. So let's look at the home page. I'm going to type word called like. Okay, now I want to copy and paste. Let me make this word a little bit bigger so you can see it. I want to copy the word next to like. So to do that, I take my mouse front of the word and I press down my left hand button on my key on my mouse, and I drag to the I highlighted. Then I go over here to the clipboard. I do copy. Then I come over here, give a space, and I come over here, paste. Now you can see how it, copy and paste. Also a trick, a shortcut trick to, you can also do, like if you want to copy again, let's see, if you go back over here, highlight it, and this is a shortcut, you know, uh, the keyboard uh, key. You press Control and you press C to copy. Then you come to the location that you want to paste it. Then you Control V like Victor to paste. So now it's copy and paste. That's like a quick keyboard shortcut. But otherwise, if you do not, it's if it's hard, you just can go copy and paste it. But when you get used to these keyboard shortcut keys, it'll really easy help you. So again, if I want to copy the same thing, it kind of saved in the last copy that you did um, on the computer, so you can copy. I mean, Control V. If you go over here, sorry, Control V. See, you see how the word can, if you press Control V again, it, paste it, keep on pasting. Or you can go over here, you go away, back to over here, space, and press paste. It should, it save the last copy that you did to the computer. So let's take that out. That's how you do copy and paste. Same way that if you want to, let's say if you highlight it, you want to cut it. If you go over here, cut, it takes it out. Same, the the word that you cut it, also if you do go over here, paste it, it'll paste it over there. So cut is like a copy, and also it'll delete the word out of the document. Same time, you can use that cut to paste again. So if you go over here, if you paste, it'll come. So let's say I want to cut whole this word, cut, and I can go back over here and I can paste, it'll paste it. So that's how the cut and copy paste work. So let's see, let me delete this. I'm going to say this is my water project document. So I'm going to now I'm going to make it 100% so it kind of a little, I'm trying to, okay. Now water project. So I want this water project. I want to make it bigger font. So I want to go over here. I want to increase the size of the font. So this is where you change the size of the font. And if you see, when you scroll, it becomes smaller. Then when you come, go down, increase the font size. So I want it big size. I'm going to put that 36. Now I want to change the font type. To do that, you can go over here. You have lots of varieties of font types, so you can change. See how in the background it changes, so you can see. Okay, I want this. Maybe this. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna change that to this. Let me actually change back. Arial. I cannot make up my mind. Okay, so I go over here. Now I change to Arial. Now if I want this to bold it, so I can go over here, B, bold, or you can do Control B for shortcut. Um, you press Control, then B, it'll turn to bold, or you can come over here and do the same thing. Now I want it italic. Then I want to underline it. And I want to change the colors. See how you can change the colors. Let's see, change to blue. Now, if I want to highlight the whole word, I can even highlight them. See different colors, but I don't want to highlight it, so I take it out. So let's say hold this water project. Now I want to make it uppercase. So I go over here, see next to uh, I have a AA, so you can do lowercase, uppercase. So I'm going to uppercase. See how it turns to uppercase everything? It's pretty cool because if you type everything in lowercase and you want it uppercase, or everything you type is uppercase, you want to make it lowercase, you just can go over here and make it lowercase. Or I just want to simply sentence case. It changed to um, like making the first letter capital, or you can make it capitalize each word. It's pretty neat if you want to, change the, lowercase to uppercase. So then let's try this. Let's see what happened. This is the increase the size of it. So also like increase, you can increase over here, or you can increase decrease from here. So let me make it a little bit bigger more. So now I have that. And also there's another feature over here. If you go over here, let me take my mouse back again. It'll say text effects and typography. So is that how you say it? I'm not sure. So anyway, you click here and you can see how in the background it changes. So if you want to like effect on it, like for your heading, you can do that. See, now it changes like that. So water project. Now I'm going to highlight the water project again. Now I want to make this whole thing centralized. Oh, I want to, before that, I want to show you, actually no, let me, this, I want to make it not centralized, I want to make it center. So if you go over here under paragraph, you see a line left. Right now it's a line left. If I want a line right, say change to right, I can make it to center. So I want it center. Now I'm going to go to the next line. Now I don't want next line to be bold or italic or underline, or I want to change the size, the font size, to a little bit smaller. Then I want to in the left align. So now I'm going to type water level. Actually, I do not want that effect, so I'm going to go over here. I just need black. See, I'm going to say water level 1. Oh, that's not how you water. Oh, this is good. So let's see. I did something over here. Now you can see I didn't spell water right. So Microsoft Word say, hey, you I think you misspelled it. So it shows under like red underline. So you take your mouse to the middle and right click and you find the word that you want it to be. So and even it gives you the meaning of that word. See, water, liquid. So that's what I was trying to write. So water level 1. Then I want next line, hit enter, water level, I not level, okay, level, I want to say level 2, then water level 3. So now I have all these different sentences in each line. So I'm going to highlight everything. I wanted to put bullets in each one. So if I go over here, say it says bullets. So I have many different varieties of different types of bullets I can choose from. I can have a check mark, or I can have a bullet or a square. So I want to have this. Okay. Or if I go to the next one, it's the numbering. So I have, if I want to take it out, I don't want anything, I can do none, or I can do 1, 2, 3. I can have it like this, like this, like this, like this, or different types of ones. So I want to have 1, 2, 3. So let's see. Now I want to um, do, I'm going to do it 4 over here. Actually, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to get out of this number system and I'll do 1, 4, 3. Now let's say I want to make this, let's see if this works. I'm not sure if it's these numbers need to be in the front of it, but if you go here, see A to Z sorting. So I want to sort these 1, 4, 3. I might have many uh, numbers like that. So if I want to sort them, I just press sort and I want to sort the paragraph ascending. So I'm going to go, see it changes 1, 3, 4. It was like 1, 4, 3 before, it changed to that. So if I go over here and undo, you can see how the change. Now I'm going to go back again and I want to do descending. So I do descending, it go 4, 3, 1. That's how you can sort, if you want to do sorting. It's pretty cool one. So then let's try also let's say I want to hold this area. I want to dump a color bucket. Okay, dump a bucket in there. So if I go over here, see how it's just like a bucket, color bucket. So I want to highlight them. So I'm going to highlight it. It's pretty much, this is a whole area highlighting. If you do over here, you just can highlight just that one. So let's go over here. If I want to undo, and let's say I only want to highlight just this word, I can go over here and highlight it too. That's another way. Or if I want to do this, it highlights the whole area. So also let me show you another one. Let's see how I have it over here. This is called borders. So if I want to put a border around water level 3, and I can put a border on, bottom border, or if I want to go over here, I can put a top border, or I want to put a border around the whole thing, so I can put a border. See, you have like a border around now. So that's if you want to put borders. Sometimes you can, let's see what happened. No, it doesn't. So just a one border around it. So you can take it. If you do not want anything, you go back and I think there's a blank one, no borders. You take it out.